Introducing a DIY smart shade made to empower you with convenient, connected, natural light control starting at $3.99. Create the perfect atmosphere for nearly any activity. Caséta shades move quietly in near-perfect unison. Set schedules that adjust throughout the day or control them your way by voice, app, or smart remotes. Privacy, convenience, or connection to the view outside, all at your command. Caséta is more than just a smart shade. It's part of the Caséta Smart Lighting System, the leading system that unifies control of natural and electric light. With smart switches, dimmers, remotes, and now shades, plus the convenience of the Lutron app, Caséta is a comprehensive solution. Caséta is also the most connected smart lighting system. It works with Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and more, transforming your experience of home. Caséta smart shades come in two versatile styles. Classic roller shades offer clean lines and UV protection. Energy-efficient honeycomb shades feature an innovative heat-trapping design. Both are available in light filtering or blackout fabrics. And installation? It's surprisingly simple. Wire-free setup and detailed guides give you everything you need to do it worry-free. And with 24/7 technical support, you're never alone. Caséta Smart Shades. Make your windows smart.